Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we shall be discussing about important things to be kept in mind before taking out a building plan. Also, who want to build their dream home, we will provide a 3D model drawing of the home you want to build. Your dream home will be tailored according to your needs. Now let us come to the keynotes to be kept in mind. The first keynote to be kept in mind is planning and permission. If the area comes under the board like the municipality like GMC and GMDA, then the drawing should be made as per the GMDA by rule. So according to that, the engineers and architect need to draw and plan the permission drawing according to the GMC and GMDA requirement. The permission drawing cost could vary accordingly as per the construction area where the house or structure has been made. So we guide the people about preparing the permission drawing. Along with that, there need to be a layout of the site plan that we will cover. There comes it with Will teaching you how to build it with AutoCAD.
This is the format of a permission drawing. As per our site inspection, we have done the work accordingly. The location of the site is at Kahilipara. The road follows as we show here, finally ending at Bokul Pot near Janakpur Sariali. So as per our knowledge from the visit of the site, we found out that the road width is to be 3.6 meter. As per our information, GMDA bylaws, we know that the basic requirement for a G+2 permission building is to be a minimum of 3.6 meter width road. So next we come to the site plan. Number 1, the site plan is shown here in the video is done in the scale of 1:100. Then we have to convert it into 1:200 scale. Secondly, so now as per the site inspection, we got to know that the plot measures to be 21.16 meter by length and 15.50 meter by breadth. Thirdly, the road is a dead end after the plot. And the last point, as per the GMDA criteria, the setbacks of the plot should be 1.8 meter from 3 sides. The front setback should be measured from the formula given by the GMDA bylaws. So here we acquired 5.1 meter as front setback from the GMDA formula. This is all about the site plan. After the site plan, now we come to the line plan. So let's now have a look on ground cum parking plan. This is the boundary line of the site. These are the car parkings. As per GMDA criteria, this plot should be allotted with 7 car parkings as shown in the video. 2 for the guest parking and 5 for the owner's parking. So now let's come to the staircase. Staircase should have a minimum of 2.4 meter width as shown here, and the landing should be a minimum of 1.2 meter. After that, the tread should be a minimum of 275 millimeter. Here we have provided with 300 millimeter, which fulfills the GMDA guidelines. Now let's explore the house from the inside. This is the veranda which we have provided with a measurement of 3.58 meter into 1.36 meter. Then here is the drawing cum dining room whose standard size comes with 3.58 meter into 4.94 meter. Now the bedroom with the dimension of 2.83 meter into 2.72 meter. This is a common bathroom of measurement 1.98 meter into 1.80 meter. Again, here is another bedroom of measurement 2.83 meter into 3.48 meter with an attached toilet. This is the ground floor of the building. Now come to the typical first and second floor. Here typical means the first and the second floor is alike with the measurements. Here is the residential area and it has to be the same. We have divided the floor into 2 parts. First part contains 2 bedrooms, 1 dining cum 1 drawing room, 2 toilets, 1 attached and 1 common. Same plan is provided in the opposite side too. This plan provides ample space to the owner which makes the building convenient and satisfactory, which is the main factor we try to promote here in Triatech. So this is it guys for today. Hopefully you like our videos, and if you have done so, stay tuned for more similar videos. We'll be back soon with some more content. Thank you.